This
Where are you guys from? Hey,
Filipinas.
Philippines.
Philippines.
it's a very beautiful country, just like as you two view.
Yes.
So many corrupt.
What is it? What did she mention? Call your sister.
What?
She said something. What is it?
Kurap do.
So many corruption.
Saan kayo sa
This is my...
Hoy,
Putang
nagtatagalog ka pala. Saan kayo sa Pilipinas?
Sumbo sa akin ng tubig.
Gangster ka ha?
Hindi ako natutuwa sa'yo. I'm out.
Pautang ako sa patos. Tsaka kabinet. Kabinet. Kumot. Punta. Electric pa na umiikot yung katawan.